Why is unity so important, you may ask? Well, let me tell you a little tale that might just answer that question for you. Once upon a time, in a charming little forest, there lived 5 cows. They were the best of friends, always doing everything together. Their favorite pastime was to eat the lush green grass that grew in a large meadow nearby. They were happy, content, and most importantly, they felt safe. You see, these cows had a pact. They had decided to stick together in the belief that unity would protect them from the dangerous lions that lurked in the forest, always on the hunt for their next meal. But one day something changed. A disagreement, a difference of opinion, whatever it was, it caused a rift between the 5 friends. The unity they once shared had been shattered. Each cow, stubborn and upset, chose to go its own way. They began eating grass in different places, each one alone and vulnerable. The lions, who had been watching from the shadows, saw this as the perfect opportunity. One by one, they attacked and killed the cows. The once safe and happy cows were no more, all because they let their unity break apart. So what does this story tell us? It's simple, isn't it? When we stand together, we are strong, we are safe, we are invincible. But the moment we let our differences get the better of us, the moment we start to drift apart, we become vulnerable, we become easy targets. The moral of this story is clear as day. Unity is strength. When we are united, we can face any danger, any challenge that comes our way. But when we are divided, we fall. So let's remember to always stand together, to always cherish the unity that binds us, because unity, my friends, is the greatest strength of all. So next time you find yourself in a disagreement, remember the 5 cows. Remember how their unity was their shield, their protection, and remember how their division was their downfall. Let their story be a reminder for us all, a reminder of the importance, the power, and the strength of unity. Thank you for listening to this tale. I hope it has given you something to think about, something to remember, because unity is not just a word, it's a way of life. And it's a way of life that can make all the difference. Remember, unity is strength, and strength